Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in OBS with the software open. Look at the audio mixer panel right away. You need to know which device is producing sound, mic/aux, desktop audio, or a virtual input. Once done, click the gear icon next to the suspected input to open Properties and see the assigned device name. Make sure your physical mic is connected and recognized by the OS so you can confidently mute or change settings without guessing. Now that you've found the mic, mute it directly in the OBS mixer by clicking the speaker icon for immediate silence. If you want it fully off, right-click the source or input, choose Properties, and set the device to disabled or select a null device. Once you switch, test instantly by speaking, watch the mixer meters. If meters still move, open your system sound settings and ensure OBS isn't picking a different active input. Change OBS device, finish by saving your scene collection and doing a quick test recording to ensure the mic stayed off. If OBS still shows input, quit and relaunch the app. Sometimes device locks persist until restart. For persistent capture, physically unplug or disable the mic in your operating system's sound settings to guarantee silence. If audio still appears, check for other apps routing audio into OBS, disable virtual audio cables, and then retest. This will isolate and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.